Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be reviewing a product that has been sent to me by a company. A lot of you guys will already know who they are. A lot of you guys won't know who they are. This product is an absolute game changer, and this is the way diagnostic machines are going in the future. It's easy, it's carryable, and everything you want in such a unique package for the average DIYer, mechanic garage, or just your normal home person who wants to be able to diagnose their car. So I ain't gonna speak anymore. We're gonna go out to the car and I'm gonna show you the product we're gonna be reviewing today.
Let me tell you about the life of a trap boy really out here trying to kill it. Trapping bricks so they float like pigeons, trying to stay low like a midget, I'm really not kidding. OT trips and stinky kicks and my balls are itching. I hit up the petrol station and fill it, and I ain't stopping till this pack is finished. Let's go. Too many calls I've missed.
Okay guys, as you'll see here, I'm sitting in the BMW E60. Now the reason I'm sitting in the E60 is purely because the last time I did a diagnostics video, a lot of you guys said to me, a lot of you are going to be using these scanners on the new cars, not so much the old cars. And that has some truth in it. But obviously it's not the full truth, because people are going to use scanners for whatever car they actually have. So we're going to be reviewing the product today. And now the product I want to show a lot of you guys is right here, and if you'll see there, this is the Topdon RE-DAG 800 BT. Now if you see right here, this is one of Topdon's probably high-tech products that they've finally made, and it's a proper actual scan tool and proper diagnostic machine. You see here it's on an actual tablet itself. Now bearing in mind I already have an account with them, because you guys would have seen from my previous videos I've already got an account with Topdon, so therefore I've got everything unlocked. So we are going to go ahead and use this device, and if you see here it says it's power, versatility within reach. You'll also see on the back everything that it's got and all the features, so I'll let you guys just see that. You can see here it's OBD2, multi-system access, read clear DTC. You also got the oil, SAS, BMS, PMS reset throttle machine, and it covers all cars from 96 and newer worldwide, and CAN vehicles. It's got wireless diagnosis. It's an Android tablet, 2 gig RAM, 16 gig onboard memory. You also see there it's got the oil reset, SAS reset, BMS reset, TPMS reset. So it's got a lot of features on here. You also see it's got the QC passed sticker, which what I tell a lot of you guys in the US about the quality control in the UK when things come here. Many of you guys don't know what that is, you can easily research that online, but that's something we get on all our products here in the UK. It must have this sticker on the product before it is allowed into the EU or the UK. This sticker is what a lot of our parts and our machines will come with. Many of you guys don't know, you can research what that is online very easily. Now, when you open the box, inside you'll see the machine actually comes in a nice bag. You'll see right here, comes in like a Topdon bag, which is really, really good. Easy, portable to carry around, and it's packaged very, very well. When you unzip the case, you'll have here your charger, obviously it's full out. You'll also have here inside your instruction books, which if you see right here, you've also got your instruction book there, which you're not going to need. The one you will need when you purchase this will be this one right here, and you'll see the serial number and activation code for your dongle that comes along with it. So make sure to look for that to activate the device. Now if you see here, that's the machine itself. The OBD port is actually here, and if you see there, it pushes in and pulls straight out. Really, really good, and I believe this has got a beeping system on it to let you know when the dongle is not reattached. So it's really, really good as well. You can slot it in just like that and then push it in and it locks straight in. You see all the signs there, which is power, Bluetooth, and if there's an error, I'll tell you there. You've also got in the case all the plugs for all different countries. So you've got a universal plug there. You've got one for America, EU, and the UK, whichever way it goes round. I'm pretty sure that's EU and that's the US. You've got a universal plug right there for it as well. That's to charge it up. So that's the nice case it comes in. And this is the machine, guys. So if you see right here underneath, you've got USB port, and you've also got your micro USB as well for charging and obviously transferring data. Underneath you've got your OBD port. On the back there you've got your serial number for the device, which you can take down as well if you ever have to. Now, to power it on, you've got a simple button right here. You'll just hold it on and it will turn straight on, as you'll see there. Now, it can take a bit of time to load up. Give that a chance to actually just boot up its systems. Obviously, it's an Android device, so it can take time. So if you see there, all the systems are now loaded. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is we're just going to release the OBD port, which is right here, the dongle. We're going to plug this into the OBD port, so we'll locate the OBD port on the car. You guys know where it is on the BMW 60, so I'm therefore not going to be showing you where that is. So I'm just going to plug this in. When it plugs in, you'll hear a solid beep. Once you hear that solid beep, then all you need to do is click scan, which is right here. Now we're going to go to the right car, so we want to go to BMW, which is right here. You'll see it lists all different countries for cars. It's not just specific for one model, it works on all models. And if you can hear there, it's beeping away, connecting to the OBD device. Then you'll see it's processing. Now if we do automatically search, it will do communicating with the device and communicating with the car. And the device is all flashing up. There's very, very solid lights on it as well. You'll see there's picked up the car, what make and engine it is. So we'll click next. We'll do that. Now it's going to read the vehicle data. And then what this will show you is if you've got any faults in the car. So we'll just go to system scan. And now you see it's scanning all the modules on the car, letting it know what's equipped before it runs the scan. So it'll run all the latest scan it can to find any problems in any of the modules. You'll see there once it's complete, we can then do end. And if you see there, it shows that everything's equipped on the car, everything's fine. So we'll just go back, we'll run a health report. Now this will scan all the modules. If you see there, it's running the scan on them all. So we've got the CD changer, nothing major, instrument cluster, and all the other modules as well that's being scanned. You see there, it doesn't take long to scan the car, and it shows any fault codes that are actually on the car. So we'll just leave it to finish up doing its thing. Now it's done 100%. What we'll do is we'll click on one of them to find a fault. So we'll click on air conditioning, which will be the AUC sensor. We'll click continue, read fault code, AUC sensor. And if you see there, I believe if we click on this, we can come out of that. And if you see there, there's all the codes. So if we just do clear DTCs, you'll see there it'll clear all the trouble codes as well. And bearing in mind I've got the engine running, but you can still clear them. And if you see there, it works faultlessly, very quickly as well. We'll click OK. Now if we go back, we can go to system selection, we can go to drive, and we can access anything in these modules. So if you see there, it's communicating. If you see there, you click continue. We can then do module information. We can find out the firmware, anything that's on the part number, anything that's on the module itself, and it shows you the calibration number and everything else that you're going to need for programming if you wanted to program it. So we've got everything there. We can also read the data streams on the system itself as well, which is all live and visible. If we go back, we can also do ADAS calibration, which if many of you guys don't know, it's the automatic driving assistance systems, which is all the lane assist, blind spot assist, anything that's fitted on the newer cars with ADAS systems. For the price, if this can do that, this is absolutely a brilliant device, because if many of you guys don't know, the ADAS systems are the newest stuff that's coming on cars these days, and for this diagnostic machine, for the price to be able to do what it can do, is absolutely brilliant. You'll see here it lists all manufacturers, so it's not just specific for BMW. It works on all years from 96 all the way up to present, and it does every single manufacturer you can think of that's listed inside. Now that alone is a bonus, that you can have all the different manufacturers. Over Launch and Autel, and a lot of you are going to say they have this one. This is the only company that's giving you free everything. If you purchase within the first 3 months now, you'll get every single manufacturer on the device and everything free. All the reset functions, all the maintenance and service, anything you need is free if you purchase it now within 3 months. That's something Launch and Autel ain't even giving you, which TopDon are actually giving you all of these for free. Now, if we go into maintenance and reset, you'll see here we've got all the different resets we can do, and you can see them better than you could on the phone when I did the little dongle. So you can see it's got transport mode, TPMS, start stop, you can turn that on and off. You can also do the seat positions, the knock sensor, which I know is very good for a lot of you with the M53 and N43 engines. You've also got the gearbox, you've also got the coolant, the DPF, bleed procedure, the AdBlue system, air and fuel mixture, AFS. You can see here you've got a lot of different functions to reset different things based on your car. Now, if we go into the repair info, you can see here we've got the OBD fault code library, so we could just go here and we can put in a search or P0013 or whatever the fault code was, and it will tell us exactly what that is. So let's put in P0113. Let's see. So that will say intake air temperature circuit high, and if you see there, it will tell you everything what the issue is. You got videos here as well. I'm not sure if that works, but we'll click onto it anyway and just see. I think that will show you how to actually use the product. You got your coverage list, which will show you all the cars it will work on and learn how to use it. You've got your ARTI folder as well. So obviously I've got BMW here, which is right here as well for my BM. You see here that it shows you what car I scanned, and you can just do quick entry and it will connect back with a Bluetooth device. Very, very fast, as you see. It's already connected. You can hear it beeping away, and it's already processing the car. And if you'll see there, we're already in ready to run our scan. So it works really, really well. Like I said, you know, you can't fault the device for what it does. If you're looking for a good machine, I don't know, if you're the DIY mechanic or your home DIY kind of person that works on a lot of cars, this is a good scanner to actually have, and you can't actually fault it. I know a lot of you are going to say the software's cloned by Launch and everybody else, and maybe that's got some truth in it. I'm not here to speculate, and I'm not here to say anything of the sort, but for what TopDon have invented, I think is very, very good, and every manufacturer has their own bonuses and pluses and negatives. For instance, TopDon are giving you all the manufacturers for free and all the maintenance programs. Other manufacturers are not, and I know that because I checked this before I did this video. That's something you have to be aware of, that if you're planning to buy one of these, TopDon give you it all for free. Yes, they can't do as much as other manufacturers, but you're gonna have to pay the extra for them manufacturers to be able to do all them functions, where on the TopDon, it's already here and you guys can just use it straight away out the box. If we just click on the OBD, we'll see here, we'll connect to the Bluetooth device again. We'll see what this function can do. So if you see there, it will check all the OBD and protocol searching, so it can see what OBD port it is that this car actually uses. And if you're seeing here, it's failed, and it will actually tell you what OBD line this car actually uses. So we're just gonna end the session there. And as you see there, that is the beeping to tell you to not regret to remove the VCI from the vehicle, which is the vehicle interface. So if you see, it does work brilliantly. It is a good scan tool, and as I said, it can be used on a lot of cars. You've got a lot of great functions there, and if you are looking for a scan tool that can do it all, then this is purely the one for you. As I said, it comes in a nice case, easily portable, very lightweight, and I like the fact that the OBD port goes right under there. So if we get the OBD port, if you see right there, we just push it in and it locks straight in position, and you'll see there, it works brilliantly. The layout's really nice as well. The touch screen is very, very effective, as you see there. It works brilliantly. Literally touching it works immediately. So there is no delay in the touch screen like there is with many other tablets you'll get as well. Everything works. Just keep tapping and it works. It will show you everything you've done. If you see there, so you can run, you know, you can see and look back on everything you've done, what cars you've scanned and what else. Like I said, you've got all the maintenance programs there as well. And if you go into upgrade, you'll see you've got all the upgrades there and all the updates for the software. So I've got 10 sitting there ready to update, and then I've got all the upgraded software as well, which are on the latest versions. But you see there, it works on every kind of car, even Sprinters, which is the Mercedes Sprinter. So it does work for vans, cars, anything you actually plug it up to, it will work for. So there we have it, guys. That's the Topdon review complete. This is for the Topdon RT Diag 800 Bluetooth device, and as you've seen there, it works flawlessly, and I am the first to actually review this. And if you guys do want to purchase it, it will be pinned to the comments and also linked in my description box as well. This is a great tool to have, very easy to carry around and very practical. The fact that it comes in a case, you can store it anywhere, you know, look at the small box it's in, very easily, you know, just to carry around with, even in your car, to run diagnostics or clear codes. For what it does, it's a good tool, and therefore I do recommend it. Okay guys, so as you've seen there, we've just done the review on the Topdon RT Diag 800 BT device, which is Bluetooth device. Now, as you guys have seen, this is a really good tool. And you know, I know it's one of Topdon's most expensive ones they do, but if you're looking for a scan tool that can do it all, which is portable, which is versatile, not only that, but the fact that you don't have to have it on your phone, or you need something constantly for your workshop, and obviously you can't leave your phone with a load of different workers, then this is a great addition to have to your workshop. Like I say, the prices will be listed below in the description below, and there will be a discount code also if you guys want to go and buy this device. I know Topdon are already putting a discount up on the Amazon for you guys to go and click and buy it if you want to. This device is a new generation of devices. You're seeing now how easily portable and how handheld they're becoming, instead of the big old, you know, style maxi systems and things like that, which are like you need to use two hands. You can use one hand and hold this very easily and diagnose the car. It's very lightweight as well, therefore you don't risk dropping it, and it's all rubber proofing all round, so if you do drop it, it won't actually smash. I do know Topdon actually give a lot of warranty on their products as well, and are really good with their customer service. Any issues they have, I know they rectify, and that can be seen all over their reviews. As soon as there's an issue with any of their products, which is very rare, they rectify the issue. So if you guys do want to go and purchase this, you've seen the product in action, you've seen it work straight out of the box, it worked first time. All of you will have full access to every manufacturer and every maintenance reset software as well, which is something no other manufacturer gives. So if you do want to purchase it, it will be pinned in the comment box below, and it will also be pinned in my description as always for you guys to go and buy it. So thank you very much for watching, guys. It's BMW Dr. Dean here, and I hope you've enjoyed this review video. Just want to give a big shout out and thank you to Daisy for actually sending this out to me again, and I look forward to actually seeing the other products they're about to send me too. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this video, and goodbye.